Hey guys, I'm Kavan, and today we're checking out Bay Photo's live portraits. Turn your photograph into a live video moment that'll be cherished for years to come. A live portrait is a photograph that has been linked to a video. When you use the free live portrait app to scan the photograph, the linked video will play on your smartphone. Hey guys, I'm Kavan, and this is PhotoForge. Okay, to begin, first we need to download Bay ROES. So we'll go to order on the bayphoto.com website. And you'll come down here to where it says order anything. Mine already says launch Bay ROES, but if you haven't downloaded it, it'll say download Bay ROES. Download the app, and then once it's done downloaded, you'll go to your Finder, go to Applications, and there it is, Bay ROES. Now that Bay ROES is open, we'll go to Presentation, Live Portrait. Select the live portrait. So first you need to drag your image. You simply drag it over here. Once our image is in place, we'll want to add our video, which is done by clicking this button right here. And we'll be adding the PhotoForge that goes along with this photo. Now that we have it completed, we'll go to Add to Cart. And it says Added. If we go to our cart, there's our photo. Shows that this is the video attached to it. And then once we're done, we'll hit Complete and Send Order. Your video and photograph will be linked within 24 hours. Install the free Live Portrait app on your smartphone. Open the app and point it at your photograph to play the video. Hey guys, I'm Kavan, and this is PhotoForge. In addition to Bay ROES, we have a dashboard ordering solution available for large volume and bulk uploads. If you move your phone away from the photo, the video will switch to full screen mode, so you can continue watching the video anywhere you want. Well, that does it for this product highlight. To see more product highlights, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which you can do right here. And to see more amazing products like this, head to bayphoto.com. The coolest part, if you sign up with Bay Photo Lab using me as your referral, you'll get 25% off your first order. To do this, just click the link in the description below. With that said, I'll see you guys next time.